benefit comes in three areas: the fuel economy savings, the tire wear, and not having emergency breakdowns on the freeway. A tire blowout on the road costs $500 or $600 to get the equipment back up and running. And that can happen in some fleets as much as once a year per truck.
Tire pressure systems can take on a variety of different definitions. Here we're talking about vehicle mounted systems, so there can be tire pressure monitoring, active inflation, balancing, all provide some varying degrees of benefits depending on the application and user. Automatic tire inflation systems will certainly lengthen your tire life because active inflations basically will keep your tires at a minimum tire pressure. Another benefit that many fleets have seen has been a reduction in CSA tire-related violations.
Our trailers are all equipped with a tire inflation system that keeps the air pressure consistent. It reduces tire wear, it reduces rolling resistance, improving fuel economy. We also have a warning light on the back in case we've got a tire that develops a leak. This light will come on letting us know you got a problem.
Tire inflation is not just for trailers, it's for tractors too. In fact, fleets tend to see a much more rapid payback when you put tire inflation on tractors simply because of the maximum mileage that a tractor gets. So our fleets tend to see between a 9 and 16 month payback as it relates to tire inflation on the tractors as well as on the trailers. The Halo itself is a contained device. It's sealed for life. It'll bolt onto a tire, last the life of the truck. It's been tested to last 1 million miles. We see fleets take Halos off, put them on the next generation of trucks when they're coming in.
Because there are so many of these different paybacks in terms of fuel economy and roadside call avoidance and so forth, that what we find is most everyone has an ROI that works for them. Typically a year, maybe less, maybe a little bit more, but it just depends on which of those paybacks are more prevalent than others.